Yes, it is a beautiful day for lunch. Lunch on the lake. Let's see if we can't invite some friends. Where are they? I should... Oh man, everybody's gonna get so pissed. But they can kiss my ass. Can't they? Fucker. Matter of fact, here. Have some chips, asshole. That's what you get for parking next to me. Mine? Mine? Oh, I can hear him now. Why are you feeding those sea rats? They are disgusting. Please don't feed the birds. They are of health concern. Hey everybody, kiss my fucking ass. Not like the good old days though when they used to land right on your car. Fuck, now I'm gonna have to drive back to the job at 100 miles an hour to blow all these potato chips off my fucking car. Where are the... These are a bunch of spoiled punk ass seagulls around here. They're like, fuck you and your dirty chips. I want your chip dust. I'm gonna wait for this old pervert across the way here to throw half a little boy out the window or something. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Fucking two over there beating each other off. Fucking nobody's eating nothing. You're just sitting here hanging out. Call! Fuck off. You get nothing. Alright, everybody. I'm out. That's enough.